present perfect tense. Okay, so present perfect tense is used to show an action that began in the past. Okay, action began in the past means before some times action, before some day action is began and is completed in the present. Action is completed. Okay, and maybe true even in the future. Means see here, I am going to give you one example. Before a day, we started construct our home. Okay, we started construct our home and today it's completed. Okay, so how we will write? I have completed constructions of my home. I have completed construction of my home. Okay, means see here, action began in the past means before some the action began and now presently it's completed. Okay, and it's true even in the future also. So here we will use present perfect tense. Okay, now see what is the formula of the present perfect tense. Formula of the present perfect tense is first one subject. Subject means any singular name, any plural name, otherwise pronoun he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Okay, so these pronoun plus has or have. Has or have. So here we will use third form of verb means past participle form of verb plus object. So this is the formula of the present perfect tense. Okay, now see, by using this formula here there is a one example. Rohan has just eaten an apple. Means before some time Rohan started for eating apple and in present he ate full apple means his action is completed. Okay, so see, Rohan is a subject. Has, why we use here has? Because Rohan is a singular noun. Okay, so with he, she, it and with singular noun we always use has. Okay, so Rohan has just eaten. Eaten means it is a third form of verb means past participle form of verb and apple is the object. Now in short I am going to tell you a third form of verb, past participle form of verb. See here, yes, if we took example of eat. Eat. So second form of verb is ate and third form of verb is eaten. Okay. Now go. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Now third one, do, did, done. Okay. Next one, play, played. Both the second form and third form is same. Play, played, played. Okay. Now next one, speak, spoke, spoken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Okay, so this is the third form of verb which is called, sleep, saved, spoken. Okay, then done, went, went not, gone. So these all are the past participle form. Okay, means third form of verb. Give, gave, given. So all these are the third form of verb, past participle form of verb which we use in the present perfect tense. Okay, now see here. One example I am giving. Oh, I have, I have called my friends. I have called my friends. Here, my friends is object. I is the subject. have, which we use with I, okay, and called is past participle form of verb, that is we three. Okay, now students, it's about the present perfect tense. Now we are going to learn about the past perfect tense. Okay, so see, past perfect tense is used to show an action that has been completed in the past. Okay, see, present perfect tense where we use action began in the past and also completed in the present. But see, past perfect tense is used to show an action that has been completed in the past. Okay, so this is the past perfect tense. See, here there is a paragraph. Okay, you have to read the paragraph and I will also read the paragraph. Deena and Ravi participated in a dance competition yesterday. They had practiced for this performance for almost a year. Okay, there is two students, that is first one is Deena and second one is Rani. Okay, they participated in a dance competition yesterday and they practice for that. They had practice for this performance, for this dance competition for almost a year, means from last year they had practice for that. Okay, they had practiced. Then they gleaned together on the dance floor like birds in the sky. Okay, means they gave the performance. It was Zina and Ravi's first public performance. They had never danced in front of people before. They had been inspired by salsa dancers for this performance and they had designed their own costumes and had composed the music as well. Many dancers participated in the competition. The judge awarded the first prize to Dina and Ravi. Needless to say, they were over the moon. Okay, so this is all about the Dina and Ravi's dance competition. Okay, but here what we have to do, we have to check subject plus verb. Okay, so see, first line, Dina and Ravi participated. Means here, see, Dina and Ravi is the subject. Okay, so Dina and Ravi participated. It's a second form of verb, means the sentence is in simple past tense. Okay, first sentence is in simple past tense, subject plus second form of verb. Okay, now see this sentence. They had practiced for this performance for almost a year. Okay, means see, there is a one dance competition and for that dance competition they practiced. They practiced for almost a year, means from last 1 year they are practicing for the dance. Okay, so see, this is the past action which completed in the past only. Okay, so see here, here structure of the sentence is subject plus had, subject plus had plus v3. Okay, so this is the structure here. Now see, they had practice for this performance for almost a year, means this action is already completed in the past. They glided together for the dance floor like birds. Okay, now see, it was Dina's and Ravi's first public performance. They had never danced. See the sentence, this one also, they had never performance. It's a negative sentence, but here also structure is subject plus had plus not plus with three. Okay, now here in the paragraph we are using the past perfect tense. Okay, so now see here, past perfect tense and also simple past tense. Okay, because see, the previous paragraph talks about an event in the past, the dance competition, and the events that happened before it. Okay, so we use the past perfect tense to show which of two past action happened first. Okay, so see here, when we use past perfect tense, when we have to show an action that has been completed in the past. Okay, so first action, yes, which action completed? Let us see the example. Okay, here from example you will understand that which action is earlier. Okay, which action happened before. See the example over here. When I arrived at the party, my best friend had already left. Okay, means see which action happened, the friend already left, that action that action happened before. Okay, and when I arrive at the party means I arrive at the party, the action, yes, the action recently happened in the past. Okay, so when you are using past perfect tense, at the time you have to consider that which action happened recently and which action happened earlier the past. Okay, now see here, when I arrive at the party, my best friend had already left. Okay, so here my best friend already means the friend had already left. My friend left the party and after that he arrived to the party. So this action, yes, this action first occur and after that this action occur. Okay, so see here, my best friend had already left, this is an earlier past event. Okay, and when I arrive at the party, this is the recent past event. Okay, this is the recent past event. Okay, so this is the I arrived means subject plus second form of verb, recent past event, so it is the simple past tense. And my best friend had already left means subject plus had plus v3 is it is a past perfect tense because earlier past the event is happened, the action is happened. So see, don't confuse in simple past. Simple past means recently. Okay, the action is recently happened in the past. Okay, but in past perfect the action had already happened in the past. Okay, so now see here, formula of the simple formula of the past perfect tense. Okay, subject plus had plus v3 means past participle form of verb plus object. Subject plus had plus v3 means past participle form of verb plus object. This is the formula. Okay, let us see the example. Kanta had left the house when her brother broke the cup. So here Kanta had left the house when her brother broke the cup. So students, which action happened first? Brother broke the cup. Okay, this is the recently past action. Okay, this action happened recently in the past and Kanta had left the house. This action is earlier past action. Okay, so see here, Kanta is the subject of the sentence. Had, which is show the past form, past tense, past time. Left is past participle form of verb. Okay, Kanta had left the house. The house is the object. Now see, when we join here sentence by using when. Okay, when her brother broke the cup. The brother is the subject. Her brother is subject. Broke is second form of verb. Broke is second form of verb and the cup is object. Okay. So here you can see simple past tense and past perfect tense also. Okay. Now see, past perfect tense which we use for indicates that an action was completed at some point in the past before something else happened, and it show which of two past action happened first. So this is the use of the past perfect tense. Again one time I am going to repeat. Yes, past perfect tense is used for indicates that an action was completed at some point in the past before something else happened. Okay, and it's also show which of two past action happened first. So this is the structure of the past perfect tense, and this is the example. See the example: Rohan had eaten the apple when I come back from shopping. Here, yes, which action happened in earlier past? Rohan had eaten apple. This action happened in earlier past. Okay, and I came back from shopping. This action happened in recent past. Okay, so when the action which happened in recently in the past, so there we use simple past tense, and when action is happened is earlier in the past before the second action happen, so at the time we use past perfect tense, but both the action in the past. Okay, now see, this is all about the past perfect tense.